Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to unbox my newest plant, Syngonium Red Spot Tricolor. The plant was purchased on eBay from a seller, The Bloom Keeper. The seller is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and the plant was shipped using a fast USPS shipping service. So why I'm filming the unboxing video? My goal is to educate myself and others out there on how to pack the plants securely inside a box. On this shipment, the seller was kind enough to provide a plant tag so I can easily stick it inside the pot. The plant was securely packed and taped with a paper, and cottons was used to hold the leaves together. Look how stunning the leaf of Syngonium Red Spot Tricolor covered with these white cottons. I can say the seller is very careful and experienced in packaging the plants, and I do not see any blemishes or damage whatsoever. Syngonium Red Spot Tricolor is very popular because it has 3 different colors on its leaves, mainly pink, white, and green variegation. It is considered as one of the rare Syngonium, and it is now widely available in the market. Syngonium Red Spot Tricolor is one of the most highly desired varieties of the arrowhead plant. It has a unique appearance that most people love. It can be used for terrarium and is an excellent plant for beginners. This plant is a climbing variety and is known as the unicorn of the Syngonium family. The seller wrapped the pots very carefully, and the soil is intact inside the pots. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plants related videos. See you soon.